The API today was fabulous.
They're great at bringing the community together. It's good for us all to have a chance to connect and get to know who's doing what.
The Audio Programmer was founded on community and bringing everyone together to network and chat and discuss things about the industry. It's just really, really good fun.
We just wanted to have one annual event where we could focus and connect with each other in person and focus on what's coming up for music technology. What are we excited about? What are the exciting developments?
The panel itself was just incredibly interesting. We had the AI perspective with Voice Swap. We have hardware legacy brand like Orange Amplifiers. Sarah Yule is their managing director. Mo Volans of Brainworks and Plugin Alliance. Elliot at Spitfire. Again, more about really, really high quality audio sampling instruments.
It's always fantastic to get together, find out what people are up to.
It's been nice to feel connected to, the audio dev industry. It's nice to be part of that and feel a part of that.
I think it's ultra important that people don't just, stay in their studios and their software houses, but come to events like this. This is the social side of the industry. It is also where you learn, where you're creative, where you bounce ideas off everyone.
You have people from all sorts of background here. You have industry people, you have students like us.
It's also an opportunity for those who aren't necessarily so connected into the industry yet. They can come along to here and get to find out what's going on.
Whether you're playing an instrument or whether you're developing a product for people, I feel like it's important for us as humans to have that connection with others. And so getting into the same space with other people who have that same type of mission and have those same types of values, I think is important.